workshop is only for people who are ready to work on themselves. So basically, if you feel you need kick every time to go back into your system, understand, release the dependency on outside mediums to connect with yourself. First is, learn to remain connected to yourself every moment. If you are doing the kind of job that you like, you will be connected to yourself. Then you don't need a kick. बच्चों को क्यों kick चाहिए? Because they dislike studies. Why do you need a kick in the house? Because you don't like ये सब जो मुसीबत वाला में काम करना. You need a kick when you are doing what you don't like. So first is, get into a profession which you truly love to do. फिर तो आपको खाने की भी होश नहीं रहेगी, बात करने की बहुत दूर की. You'll always be connected to yourself. So do that. And next is, look at that child or look at that thing that gives you a kick. Look at the correct definition. Then see that it is not giving me a kick, it is actually distracting me. It is giving me ill health. Right? It is giving unnecessary bother to the chai wala, जो भाग भाग के बस चाय लाता रहता है पूरे दिन. So when you see at that, when you see the 5 bothering points, you will be able to look at it, whether it is really a pleasure or it is my personal definition, and you will be able to. You have defined pain as disorganization. You have defined that if things are disorganized, there is pain, and if they are organized, it is pleasure. So what you do is, you look at that definition and release it. Just look at it. That organizing, let me do in my domain. Let me do in my room. Let me not go about organizing everybody's rooms. Yes or no? So there is a moment of realization can come anytime. And actually, we have to understand what stops us. What stops us is basically because we fear losing that pleasure. वो fear जो है वो इतना intense होता है कि the person feels कि अगर ये चला गया तो मेरे जीवन में सहारा क्या होगा? Yes.
अगर ये जाएगा तो फिर दुनिया जाएगा.
Yes.
99% people are like that.
Yes.
So how to manage?
Yes. So when you have got this feeling, this fear that I will lose my pleasure, तो उसके लिए these are the steps. You have to first understand pleasure is a definition. You are born of pleasure. You are meant to be happy 24/7 into that many seconds. When you remove this dependency on the external and the intermittent pleasure and pain, थोड़ी खुशी गम, खुशी गम, खुशी गम. When you shatter everything, there is only pleasure. And that is what we need to know that. ये बात ये सिखाता है कि we need to know that. तो वो जो डर है ना, इस जो भी पर्सन सिगरेट नहीं छोड़ता है या उन्होंने कहा मैं 1 तारीख को छोड़ूंगा, इस मुहूर्त पे छोड़ूंगा, क्योंकि उनका सेंस कह रहा था भाई अब तेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, खुशी देने वाला नहीं है, अब खुशी नहीं मिलने वाली. But today, if they are able to look at it and realize it is not a pleasure, it is my illusion, they will be able to come to it. Okay? So basically, सबसे पहले to come out of that, to come out of these addictions, because understand these addictions are basically distracting you. They are taking you out of your body for fulfillment. They are causing you so much of pain, unnecessary wastage of time, resources, etc. And life's journey is about being all the time within you. When you are within, you are complete potential. You attract the things that are meant for you. You grow in all aspects of life. So to come out of addictions, you have to first release all the discontentment inside. To release the discontentment, you have to realize the discontent. There will not be only one. There will be lot of silent discontentments. So it's a very simple PPT that we have got addictions or we have got discontentment related to all the chakras. If you go to Mooladhara, which is the sense of smell, you have discontentment related to community, body, appearance. Basically, the sense of smell It is telling you that I like these people, I don't like these people. So when your sense of smell is disturbed, you lack the very purpose of Mooladhara Chakra, which is oneness. So when any sense gets distracted, you lose the essence of that chakra which is there. So essence of Mooladhara Chakra is oneness. So when you are distracted because of smell means suppose you see a dog, he identifies his community with smell. So Mooladhara Chakra has got the sense of smell. So you have unfulfillment related to smell, unfulfillment related to taste in the Swadhisthana Chakra. Then you are dependent on other things for taste or enjoyment in life. So what happens? You get addicted to all these things because of unfulfillment of taste. Basically what we are trying to say is, in Mooladhara Chakra, because of unfulfillment of smell, you are addicted to friends. In Swadhisthana, because of unfulfillment of taste, you are addicted to these kind of pleasures. Because you feel, I have not had enough taste in my life. Then Manipur Chakra, you have unfulfillment related to career. So every chakra, there is an unfulfillment. So basically you have to realize, in Heart Chakra, there is an unfulfillment related to being loved, being trusted, being accepted. In Anahat Chakra, in Vishuddha Chakra, there is unfulfillment related to being heard, being understood. And basically it is these unfulfillment which are basically taking you to things which are not meant for you. दूसरी वाली दिखाना. So these are different kinds of unfulfillment which you have, and basically you have to realize deep within that where do I feel discontented in meditation. And I'll just show you a brief glimpse of how you can uncolor the different vrittis in your life. Okay? Every single moment you are complete. When you were born, you were complete. A bud is as complete as a rose. Everything that is created gets destroyed to have another creation. This is life. It goes in a cycle. So the day you realize wholeness within you, then is when you realize Ananda. So I end this session with this blissful note. Thank you so much.